So one problem I had with my 2021 F-150 is this glove box. When you go to open it, it just kind of flops there. I want one that'll stay open when I open it. And the issue is, it seems like the spring is just too weak and it just won't stay up. So looking on the forums, I found a real cheap way to fix this, and it'll only take you a couple minutes. So here's what I'm doing. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to pry this piece away right here very carefully. So I've already pried it loose, and I just remove it, and you can see here that it exposes the springs up under here. I don't know how well you can see that, but there's one spring through here, and there's a couple little pieces that come down against the frame here. So the trick is, you'll want to pry those back, and then you want to take a nickel and wedge in behind those springs, and what that'll do is it will actually give you more tension on your spring. Alright, so there's one side, and just having one side, look, it already wants to stay somewhat up. Okay, so I go to the other side here, and sometimes it helps to be a contortionist when you're doing this. Okay, so that's the other side. All right, so closes. Now you open it, and it does better. At least it somewhat stays up, so that I can get what I need in there. So now all that's left is to snap the piece back on here. And we got it done. So as you can see, it actually stays up now when I want it to. Made a big difference. One easy, simple mod that's gonna save me a headache. Thanks for watching. More to come.